Budgeting isn't just about money. It's about focus, control, and building a life that aligns with your goals. $1 at a time. But don't worry, I'm not here to give you a boring finance lecture. I'm going to walk you through a simple way to take charge of your budget. This is especially for you if you think you're bad with money. You're not. You've just never had a method that actually works. And by the end of this video, I'll share the one budgeting strategy even overspenders can stick to. Let's dive in. The 50-30-20 rule. This method is perfect if you're new to budgeting. It gives your money a simple, no-stress structure. So by the end of the month, you're not left wondering where it all went. Here's how it works. You divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. The 50% covers essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, transport, insurance, minimum debt payments, anything you can't skip or delay. If your needs take up more than 50%, it's a red flag. That might mean you're living above your means. Time to reassess your housing, subscriptions, or commute. The 30% is for wants. Yes, you get to have fun. You're not a robot. This covers eating out, hobbies, streaming, travel. Things you enjoy but could technically live without. Most people lose control here. That daily coffee, random takeout, or one-click online buy, it adds up fast. But when you give yourself a cap, you spend intentionally. For example, with $2,000 a month income, you get $600 for wants. If you've already spent $400 by mid-month, you've got $200 left. No cheating. That's how you build control without going full monk mode. The final 20% is where future you wins. This part goes straight to savings, emergency funds, or extra debt payments. Set up an automatic transfer so that it leaves your account as soon as your paycheck hits. Why? Because when you save what's left, there's usually nothing left. This method flips that script. You save first. Cash envelopes. If debit cards make your money vanish, this old-school method might be for you. The cash envelope method is tactile. You withdraw physical cash for your variable spending, not bills, just day-to-day stuff, and divide it into labeled envelopes: groceries, fun, gas, etc. Once an envelope is empty, it's empty. No topping it up from your savings or other categories. You learn to respect the limit. Why does this work? Because spending cash hurts more than swiping a card. Studies show we naturally spend less when it's physical. It just feels more real. If budgeting apps haven't worked for you, this one slows you down and makes your spending visible. That third iced latte won't feel so casual when it's your last $5 bill. The savings first method. This method flips everything around. Save first, live on what's left. Right when your paycheck comes in, you move your savings, maybe 10 to 20%, out of your main account. Send it to a savings account, a different bank, even a cash box if that's your thing. The point is, it's gone. You don't touch it. Most people do the opposite. Spend first, save what's left. But when saving comes last, it rarely happens. The savings first method forces you to adjust. It's uncomfortable at first, but it builds discipline fast. Your spending power shrinks, but your savings grow. It's not easy in month 1. You might feel broke even though you just got paid. But that discomfort becomes long-term peace of mind. Start small if you have to. Even 5% counts. This is about building a habit, not perfection. Zero-based budgeting. This final method is for people who want full control over every single dollar. Zero-based budgeting means you give every dollar a job before you spend anything. In the end, your income minus expenses should equal 0. Not because you're broke, but because everything has a purpose. That includes rent, gas, groceries, fun, savings. Every category gets a name and a number. This method is strict, but powerful. It's great if your income changes month to month or if you want total clarity. But it takes work. You'll need to track closely and adjust along the way. Not ideal for people who hate structure. Still, if you're done wondering where your money went, zero-based budgeting will show you exactly where it's going. Wrap up. So, which budgeting method are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips like these on how to manage your time, energy, and money without burning out. Also, check out the Digital Detox Guide linked in the pinned comment and description. It pairs perfectly with everything we talked about today. You've got this. One habit at a time.